How to fix matchmaking failed x00030001 error in gray zone warfare. Restart your game. This is always the first answer to this question, and as someone who studied IT, this is usually the thing that fixes it. It's a bit of a meme at this point, but turning it off and on again has a habit of solving problems, so give it a go. Restart your internet. If that doesn't work, the next step is to restart your entire internet connection. I would recommend turning it off, waiting for a minute or two, and then turning it back on. Try a wired connection. If you can, try plugging an Ethernet cable from your router directly into your PC. Use a mobile hotspot to test your internet connection. If you're able to, use your phone to create a hotspot. Connect to it, and see if that fixes your problem. If you can't connect your PC to your phone, then try just using your phone on the network. This way you can see whether the issue is isolated to your PC, or happening across your network. Get in contact with your ISP. If you have no internet connection, and nothing is working on your network, you'll need to get in touch with your internet service provider.